Kong walks up to the banana stall. Same stall he's been going to for years. Same farmer, same banana. He reaches for one. But when he looks at the price, 3 leaves. Last moon, it was 1 leaf. The banana didn't get bigger. It didn't get tastier. So why does it cost 3 times more? That question, that frustration, that confusion you feel when everything just costs more, that's inflation. And today, we're going to break it down. By the end of this video, you'll understand every type of inflation: demand pull, cost push, monetary inflation, and the big scary one, hyperinflation. You'll know who wins, who loses, and most importantly, how to protect yourself. We're going from the banana stall all the way to Alpha Kong's leaf printing machine. Let's go. So what is inflation? Let's start simple. Imagine Kong has 1 banana and 1 leaf. Banana is rare, leaf is rare. So 1 banana costs 1 leaf. Fair trade. But what happens when there are suddenly 10 leaves floating around? Each leaf isn't as special anymore. So banana farmer raises the price. That's inflation in its simplest form. Your leaves are losing value. Since 1914, prices in the US have gone up by an average of 3.4% every single year. Your great-grand monkey's 1 leaf could buy way more bananas than yours today. Now let's talk about the first type, demand pull inflation. Kong discovers this amazing banana stall. He tells all his friends. Word spreads. Now 10 monkeys show up. But banana farmer only has 5 bananas. So the monkeys start competing. I'll pay 2 leaves, 3, 4 leaves for that banana. Banana farmer doesn't even need to raise the price. The monkeys are doing it for him. Too many monkeys chasing too few bananas. That's demand pull. After COVID, everyone started spending at the same time. In June 2022, US inflation hit 9.1%, the highest in 40 years. Now, here's a different flavor, cost push inflation. This time, demand is normal. Same monkeys wanting bananas. But something happened on the supply side. Banana seeds got more expensive. The soil needs more water. The tools cost more leaves. So banana farmer says, I can't sell for 1 leaf anymore. I'm losing leaves on every banana. So he raises the price. Not because monkeys want more, but because it costs more to grow them. In 1973 and 1979, oil prices skyrocketed. And since oil touches everything, prices across the board went up. That's cost push. Now here's the big one. Monetary inflation. This is where Alpha Kong enters the picture. Alpha Kong decides every monkey should have more leaves. So he fires up the leaf printing machine, prints new leaves. Lots of them. Now every monkey has a fat pile of leaves. Sounds great, right? Wrong. There are still the same number of bananas. So when Kong shows up waving his big pile of leaves, banana farmer shakes his head. Leaves aren't worth what they used to be. Price is now 5 leaves. Milton Friedman said it best. Inflation is always and everywhere a monetary phenomenon. Between February 2020 and February 2022, the U.S. money supply grew by 40%. 40% more leaves. Same bananas. You can guess what happened to prices. And then there's the nightmare scenario. Hyperinflation. Banana price goes up. So Alpha Kong prints more leaves. But now there are even more leaves. So banana price goes up again. So Alpha Kong prints more leaves. Price goes up. More leaves. Price goes up. More leaves. This is getting ridiculous. The numbers get insane. In Zimbabwe, November 2008, prices went up by 79.6 billion%. In a single month, in Venezuela, 2018, inflation hit over 1 million%. In Germany, 1923, prices doubled every 3.7 days. Imagine buying a banana in the morning, and by evening it costs double. Eventually, Alpha Kong looks around. The leaves are worthless. Mountains of them everywhere. So he burns them all, every last leaf, and says, okay, sticks are the new currency. That's how bad hyperinflation gets. So here's the question nobody asks. Who actually wins from inflation? If Kong's leaves go up at the same rate as banana prices, Kong is fine. He's keeping up. But if banana prices go up and Kong's leaves stay the same, Kong gets poorer without doing anything wrong. Meanwhile, Rich Monkey invested. He bought banana trees. He bought land.
Woo!
His wealth grew faster than inflation. While Kong struggles to buy one banana, Rich Monkey is buying the whole stall. Inflation hits lower income monkeys the hardest because they spend most of their leaves on basics: food, shelter, transport. Inflation is a silent tax, and it doesn't hit everyone equally. So what does a smart monkey do? He doesn't just sit on a pile of leaves, because leaves lose value every single day. Instead, he plants banana trees. Banana trees grow more bananas, and that value grows faster than inflation can eat it. That's investing. Since 1957, stocks in the US have returned about 10.7% per year. Inflation averages around 3 to 4%. So if you invest, you're outrunning inflation. If you just hold leaves, you're falling behind every single year. The monkey who holds leaves gets poorer. The monkey who plants banana trees gets richer. Same jungle, same inflation, different choices, different outcomes. That's the game. So next time you see banana prices going up, remember, it's not the banana that changed, it's the leaves. And the monkey who plants banana trees, he doesn't worry about inflation. If this helped you understand inflation, smash that subscribe button. We break down big economic ideas into simple jungle stories every week. See you in the next one.